Murutwo wa mwaka wa gatano university ya JKUAT aramukira urigitani thibitari-ini ya Kenyatta thutha wake kurathwo na kugurario kiande akigeria kuingira thingira-ini wa iregi guku Nairobi. Kurerikana ati Murutwo uria wikaine ta Brian Kibet wa miaka 25 arageragia kuingira kihingo-ini kimwe mathaa-ini ma thaa 10 hindi ararathirwo ni maabitha aria marangagira thingira uyu. Icera ritu thukuru-ini wa JKUAT tukarania na Clinton Onsoro uria ni mutongoria wa arutwo na haga tutaririe uria Brian akoretwo ari mugi mathomo-ini make na matingire kuire no akorwo na thugunda ta riri.
Brian is a student that managed to go to Nairobi school, one of the top schools in the country. We were with him there, and all through his academic life he has always been leading, and he also managed to finish at among the top students in his class.
Ona kuri uguo ni augite ni marabitie kuona ngurani mikireni yake ya maundu na magekuiraga gukorwo ni arathumbukaga kimeciria.
It reached at some point that we as the people close to him started noticing some difference in behavior. It is a very high chance that in the course of his studies in the university he was depressed at some point.
Clinton yorite mathukuru ma university kwambirira mathomo megie kuhurana thina wa meciria niguo kuhitana na mathina ta maya na mangi maria makoretwo makiyumiria ica ikuhi kuri arutwo.
We have launched a program to make sure that we as students we help sort out this issue of depression and mental health within ourselves. So we managed to come up with programs like Mental Health Week, which the university is supporting us.
Giko ta giki gia kugeria kuingira thingira-ini wa iregi tikio kia mbere kuona mwaka muhituku mundu ngi niageretie kuingira thingira-ini wa iregi kwaranira na mutongoria wa bururi akiuga ni muratawe. Kurerikana giko giki kia Brian kugeria kuingira thingira-ini wa iregi kiumanite na thina wa kimeciria, thirikari ikiuria kunyitana na mathukuru ma university kurehe mathomo ma kimeciria mathukuru-ini maya niguo kugiriria thina ta kuhanika mahinda kwa mahinda. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV kuma JKUAT kaunti-ini ya Kiambu, gitagwo Ngugi wa Gatua.